Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArklaTexHomepage.com, as well as the ArklaTexHomepage.com app. And as we look at the weather pattern, you can see that still have that upper level ridge of high pressure. You can see the center of it extending from about Denver to Omaha. It is still forecast to make its way to the southeast, and that is still more than likely going to heat us up and dry us out just in time for the weekend. As we have seen a few scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region today, mentioned that upper level ridge, you can see it moving basically from the middle of Nebraska, and then watch those white lines, those streamlines there. That shows how the upper level winds are moving, and you can clearly see the center setting up to the north and east of the Arklatex, and eventually settles across the northern sections of Arkansas by the time we get to the weekend. And again, that will greatly reduce the rainfall chances here in the Arklatex, and it will also, as I mentioned, warm us up. Here's a look at the next few days until that ridge does move closer. We're looking at the continuation of at least a chance for a little bit of rainfall. Have seen those scattered showers and thunderstorms on this Tuesday afternoon. Expect the rainfall to decrease during the nighttime hours tonight. As we go through tomorrow, looking at a mix of clouds and sunshine, you can see the flare-up of the showers and thunderstorms across the region during the afternoon tomorrow. That activity more than likely will begin to fall apart tomorrow night. And then for Thursday, we will once again see that chance for the shower thunderstorm. Probably not quite the coverage Thursday compared to what we expect to see, have seen today, and expect to see for your Wednesday. And again, that decrease in coverage will continue as rainfall chances begin to diminish approaching the weekend. Here's a look at rainfall potential taking you through the next several days. You can see the Futurecast going from now through Thursday, showing you the spotty nature of the rain. Many of us will not see anything. It's possible we may get a couple hundredths. It's also possible that a few spots could see a half an inch to an inch. It really depends on if you get underneath one or two of those slow-moving cells that we'll be seeing across the area here during the course of the next few days. Here's a lower resolution model which actually goes out a little bit farther, and you can see it is showing into Saturday still a half an inch to an inch. This is probably a little bit overdone, but somewhere in a half an inch to an inch, especially across the southern half of the areas where that chance could be a little bit higher. As far as temperatures tonight, back into the mid-70s, 76 in Shreveport, 75 in Texarkana, looking at 75 also for the low in Marshall. Daytime highs tomorrow should rebound back up into the low 90s. 92 in Shreveport, 91 in Magnolia, and 90 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Marshall. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, beginning with Shreveport. You can see those rainfall chances still decent for your Wednesday, tailing off just a bit for your Thursday, and becoming much more isolated for Friday and Saturday. Of course, that's good news for the Red River Balloon Rally, as we'll see temperatures mid-90s during the heat of the afternoon, but those temperatures should fall into the 80s during the evening hours. And again, rainfall chances looking very slim. Also, not too much of a concern as far as wind. And notice the trend in temperatures. By the middle of next week, we should be back up into the mid to upper 90s for daytime highs in Shreveport. In Texarkana, you are looking at rainfall chances, again, not quite as high. Your 7-day forecast showing you maybe 20-30% for the next couple of days. Nothing for the weekend, as your daytime highs 90 tomorrow should rebound back up into the mid-90s by the weekend and first part of next week. So all in all, it looks like we are looking at eventually a hotter weather picture and a drier weather picture as the scattered showers and thunderstorms dry up and temperatures begin to heat up.